Welcome to the boating adventure. Whilst I was watching one of my favourite YouTube channels today, I did notice that all of a sudden this Swamp Duck and the boating adventure suddenly made an appearance. Very good afternoon to you. It is Tuesday the 23rd of July 2024 and we're just setting out on a nice little journey. We're going to ride a cock horse to Banbury Cross to see a fair lady upon a white horse with rings on her fingers, bells on her toes. She shall have music wherever she goes. We think, we're not sure. So we're on our way to Banbury. Not sure how many days it's going to take us to get there, but we're in no hurry. We're just going to go with the flow, if you see what I mean.
Hello. Yeah, fine, thanks. Beautiful day, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's Alan. Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Wow, didn't expect to see you here. Wow, all the best. It's Alan. Wow, that was a surprise. A fellow vlogger.
Not another Alan.
Another Alan, yeah.
So I'm grateful for them giving us a plug on their channel, so I thought it only fair to return the compliment.
One more bridge to go, and then we'll be turning onto the Ashby Canal. How wonderful is that?
I'm Alan. I own a 45-foot narrowboat, have an interest in industrial heritage, transport and technology, and invite you to join me as I cruise, repair and maintain my boat and visit events and places of historic interest.
Alan operates not too far away from the Swamp Duck actually, and I've always found his channel very entertaining and very useful. So it's well worth a look. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, do take care.